Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bot and start it up using Discord.js V13. So let's hop into the video.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm at the developer portal. So let me create a new application and let's name it V13. Alright, and let's create. So let's put here anything like https youtube.com/UltraX1. Let's put discord.gg/UltraX. Alright, and tutorial bot. Alright, so in this series V13 I will not be giving source code, but people in my server that are like level 15 plus or boosters can have access to it. Alright, so here let's create the bot. Yes, I do. Here you see it. So let's enable the intents. Let's go to authentication and let's put bot, and we'll need to put the application commands that are basically slash commands. Alright, and let's put administrator. So let's invite the bot. So here, and the bot should be added. Yep, here. So let's now start coding the bot. So let me open my terminal. So you need to know something that's the folder, as you can see, is created. The V13 requires Node.js and Node 16, the latest version. So here, let me show you Node.js, Node.js.org. Here, so you need to install the latest version, that is 16.6.1. Alright. So after you're done, after you created your folder and everything, I'm gonna now do NPM init. Alright, I'm gonna show me some stuff here. Alright, now create it. After I said yes here, I create a package.json, and now I'm gonna npm I discord.js. Alright, perfect. Now let me close it and let me open Visual Studio Code, my editor. Alright. Alright, here we are. So I'm gonna now create an index.js, and I'm gonna create a config.json like this. Alright, so in the config.json I'm gonna put here token. If you're new to coding or Discord.js, basically the token is like the email and password for your bot, so do not give it to anyone. And after the video I'm gonna regenerate it. Alright, so here, token. Perfect. Now into the index. So into the index, I'm gonna do const discord equal required discord. Basically, I'm right now just like requiring discord.js. Alright. So I got those Discord documentation and guides. I'm gonna be leaving the links for them in the description. And let me make sure I got a node 16 here, node V. As you can see, it's node 16.6.1. Let me use also this terminal. Alright, perfect. So in the old way, we were doing something like const client equal new discord dot client and some stuff here. Alright, but those stuff did actually change. So let's see what did actually change in here. So you can now actually make cache, put options to cache with limits. So it was like 100, I guess. Now you can just make it custom, and the default now is 200. There is no much important things over here. Or maybe there are, but you'll need them later on, not now. So I'll also we can make a video about change from V12 to V13. I'll be leaving the link for it in the description. Make sure to check it out. So here it was disable mentions everyone. Now it's allow mentions basically. So let me show you. I'm gonna now put it over here. And let me remove this. Alright, so now I'm allowing the bot to only ping users and roles. Like, if someone did at everyone, it will not ping them. Like, it might send a message, but it will not ping them. Alright? Or it will, but it will send the message, but it will not ping the users. Alright. So, here there was a part where you need intents now. Alright. So let me show you the intents part in a second, just searching for it. Alright, here I found it. So the intents part here, you no longer do this. Alright. You use this part this way. So basically you just do here intents and then like this, I guess, right? Yup, and then you're gonna put each intent you might need or you will need. Do not put all of them. Let me show you all the intents available. So here are all of them. Alright, I'll be leaving them in the description as well. So make sure to only put the ones you need. Alright, don't put all of them, because that is going to just make your bot slow. Alright, and it's useless. So just put the ones you're gonna need. Alright, so I will 100% need the guild one. Alright, so I'm gonna put here discord dot intents dot flags dot guilds. Alright, alright, perfect. So now after I've done all the intents I need here, for now, I can now define my config file. So let me put here config.json. Oops, I mean const. I want to get the token, so I'm gonna just put here token equal require config.json. So I'm basically just getting the token from the config.json here, as you can see. Alright. So now I want to go to the client.on. Also in this one, I'm gonna show you how to create your first slash command, and in the coming video I'm gonna create an actual slash command handler, alright, with permissions as well. And I want to give credit to Coney because he actually just explained me how this works. So yeah, there's an event called ready. when the bot gets ready, basically. So I want, once the bot gets ready, I want to put a status for the bot. So client.user.setPresence. Alright, like that. I'm gonna put here activities, and then an array with an object. Let's put name UltraX. Alright, and let's put the type of it gonna be watching. So it's gonna be like watching UltraX. Alright, and then I want console.log the client.user.tag and say the bot, like this is the bot tags and name. Alright, so I'm gonna say like the bot is online, or yeah, let's just keep it like that. Alright, so you all probably know what will happen if I just did node dot, oops, that was node comma, let me do node dot, there is an error, oh I forgot, I need to put dot slash, and also I need to actually make the bot login, so I'm gonna put like this token. As I said, the token is like the email and password, so client.login, and I put the token so the bot actually work. Here, as you can see, it says the bot is online. Let's check that out. Is the bot actually online? And yes, it is, as you can see. Let me put that here. Alright, so after we did the first couple basic steps, let's actually put here client.on. So it was called message, the event was called message, but now I'm gonna actually call it message create, or they changed it, alright, they changed it to message create. So let me now put it like this. Alright, perfect. So now I'm gonna what? I'm going to first put here if the message.author.bot or the message.channel.type is DM return. So if basically someone DM the bot a command, it will not work, and if the author of the message was a bot, it's gonna return as well. So it doesn't like respond to commands from a bot. Alright, so now let's create our first slash command. So if I did right now slash here, I cannot see my bot, as you can see. So let me also kick a bot called useless. Why do we have a bot called useless? Alright, so now I'm gonna do client.on event called interaction create. So, and here let me just async it and put interaction. Alright, oops. Alright. It's basically just when someone interact with a slash command, a button, or a drop menu. But now I want to create my first slash command, so let's go to registering slash commands. So as you can see here, to create it, I will do like this, but this actually global. What is global? By the meaning of I'm gonna create for all the guilds, all the servers, alright? But I don't want it to create it for all the servers, because if I did that, it's gonna take about 30 minutes or 50 minutes to 2 hours to actually work on all the guilds. So if you like made a bot is finally done, just make it global directly, alright? But if you are like testing stuff like me right now, I'm gonna just use it for one guild, and if you don't know how to make it for one guild, it's here. Alright, so global up here, per one guild is here. So I just want it per one guild. So let me get this one, paste it over here. Alright, and this is the data. What is the data is basically the slash command itself. So let me show you. The name of it is gonna be ping, the description reply with pong, but actually I don't want it to do like reply with pong. That I want to make an echo command. If you don't know what is an echo command, it's basically if I did like echo and hello, the bot is gonna send hello. Right? I did here hey, it gonna send hey. Alright? I want to do that. So let's actually do it. So echo and say here echo yo text. Alright. So let's now start the bot and let me show you how this actually works. But let me first get my server's ID and put it over here. So I'm getting the guild. That's why I need the guild's flag or intents, as you can see here. So oops, I got an error. Await is only okay. I need to async this because we have a await, so it should be asynchronous. Alright, so now if I did slash, as you can see, echo, but there is actually nothing here. As you can see, you're gonna just say like that, there's actually nothing. So we want it to work. Alright, we want to show something after I say like this. I want to show here text so I can type a text. Alright, so here, let me show you. And here are to create multiple ones if you don't know. But I will be making a handler, so don't just go with that, like a command handler, but slash command handler. But for now, let me show you this. It's something called options. Alright, so let me copy it from here, put it here and work on it. Alright, so the options. Name is gonna be like when I do slash echo, the name. Do you know like this? If I did tenor query, this is the name, alright? So I want it to be your text, alright? Type string. If you don't know what is type, let me show you right now in a second. So here, types. All the types you can find in the website guide, so I'm gonna be leaving the link. You can check it out later. Basically, the string is sets the option to require a string value. That's what we want, a text basically. Alright, and then the description is the input to echo back. Easy. Alright, now if I did it, let's see what will happen. Alright, slash, if I now, oops, did update, the bot went offline, there's an error. Invalid body form. Oh, so what I did wrong is I cannot have a uppercase on my name. I forgot to mention that. If you put the uppercase, like if you put here E like that, you will have an error. So you don't put uppercase in that. If you put an uppercase, you're gonna basically lose it. And here, it's one without spaces, so text. Let's run it. As you can see, no spaces. Make sure no uppercase. If you put an uppercase, I'm gonna show you an error. Alright, now let me show you. Now, as you can see, there is text. If I put anything like hello, it will not work. See? I'm gonna say that and then interaction failed. Alright. So now we got it actually to work. Let's now make it reply. So first thing I want to check is here in the replying to slash. Basically there is something called interaction.is command. Alright, so I will tell you all of them. There is basically there is button. Alright, there is command. Is button is used to check if it's a button, if the interaction is a button. Alright, and this used to check if the interaction is a slash command. There is also select menu, if I'm not wrong, and check if it is select or drop down menu, whatever you want to call it. And last is check message component, and I don't know what is that used for, to be honest. Now we are checking if it's slash command. Alright, so let me now put if interaction. I feel interaction is so long, so let me just call it like enter. Alright, if interaction dot is command. Alright, if it is, I want to do something. Alright, so I want to check if the command name is echo. Alright, so if enter dot command name is equal to echo. If it is, I want to do something. So I want to basically like maybe say reply. Alright, here's some reply, edit reply. Alright, as you can see, defer reply, follow-ups. You can check all of this. Alright, it's cool. So let me now put like await reply, but I want to actually reply with the person text. So here is the part where I get it. So you see all of this big list that has a lot of options, as you can see. So if I want to get like the string, alright, there's other things, but I want to get the string. And which string I want to get? I want to get this string, as you can see, alright, named text. So I'm gonna put here this basically. Alright, const, let me name it text equal interaction dot options dot get string called text. Alright, because as you can see it's called text. So once I get it, I want it to reply with text. Right, the content will be the text. And if you don't know what is ephemeral, if I'm saying it right, ephemeral, yeah, I guess. Basically, it's showing only for you. Now you'll see in a second. So if I did now slash echo, and I did hey, you look cute. Alright, the bot will send it back, and only you can see it. See that? If I did it false, or if I totally remove it, it's like automatically it is false. Alright, but you can also do like that, and you can remove it totally. Alright, like this, and it will be false. It will send it like a normal message. Let me show you. Echo hey, there you go. As you can see, it replied. So I just wanted to make it like clear for everyone, a warm startup for the bot to see how things work. If you got any questions, make sure to check out our Discord server. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.